Greetings and hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the branding of your GoHighLevel group. Sometimes you may want to change the cover, or you may want to change the logo of your GoHighLevel group, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. So the first thing you want to do is log into your test account, which is where I am now, and you want to go into one of your sub accounts. This is a test account, and so basically I'm going to go into the memberships area. Then you want to click on your community and go to your groups. Then after you click on your group, you may want to change this cover and you may want to change the logo. What you have to do is log into your group. Right? And once you log into the group, what you want to do is go over to this area where the cover page is and the group information is. And it may be hard to find because it's not in a bright color, but you want to click on the settings. And then once you click on the settings, you want to go along the left navigation bar and go over to branding. And then this is where you can change the favicon, you can change the cover image, and you can change the logo. And then once you change that, all you have to do is click save, and then you'll be able to save those changes. And so basically it's just as simple as double clicking on this area right here and then uploading whatever image you want for your cover for your group. Now you're going to see here that it says it should be in a 16:9, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and for the most part, if you use and convert that into pixels, it'll be about 1270 by 720. That's what I use, and that makes for a good cover image for your group. So you would just click save, and then that will change the cover of your group. And it's just as simple as that. I hope this helps, and I will see you on the next video.